Nestled in Rancho, Santa Fe, north of San Diego, sits the stunning, one-of-a-kind French country estate. Sitting on 3.6 acres, designed by architect Don Edson, boasts over 14,000 square feet of luxurious living spaces with 5 bedrooms, 9 baths, while still maintaining an authentic old-world charm. It has been featured as a 3-time award winner in Home and Gardens magazine. Located on a private cul-de-sac in a gated community, enter this charming home through magnificent rustic wood gates that open on to a manicured flagstone circular driveway, acres of lush landscape, and a variety of plants and trees on tiered levels with large boulders and gardens. A wishing well and bridge over the bubbling creek add serenity and charm, in addition to the numerous patios for entertaining. Greet guests in the formal living room with views looking out to the enchanting garden, or entertain in the great room. Complete with stunning high-beamed ceilings and a large wood-burning fireplace. Host dinner parties in the formal dining room, complete with numerous French doors opening out to the garden, taking full advantage of indoor and outdoor California living. Perfect for aspiring chefs, the French country kitchen comes equipped with Gaggenau stovetops, designer hammered copper oven fronts, Bosch dishwasher, and 2 Sub-Zero refrigerators, as well as an oversized island, providing ample counter space. Located just off the kitchen, a stone grotto with a wine cellar and large fireplace is a great space to unwind. The classic master suite boasts high wood-beamed ceilings as well as a loft and living area perched just above the master bath. With his and her baths, elegant Venetian plaster walls, his and her cedar-lined closets, and a sauna, the spa-inspired master bath is truly fit for royalty. Enjoy your morning cup of coffee in the secret garden with its own spa just off the master suite. An additional 3-bedroom suites, as well as a copper ceiling music room, bar, and library can be found in this spacious mansion. The charming guest cottage, with floor-to-ceiling windows and a very private master suite on the 2nd level, is perfect for visiting friends or family, offering privacy in a serene setting. With lush greenery and gardens, a sparkling pool and spa, tennis courts, and a moat-like pond, the expansive grounds are truly reminiscent of the French countryside. The home is listed for sale for $9 million.